Now, rebuilding your credit can be very frustrating and it can be hard to get approved for credit cards. But in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 credit cards that you can get approved for with lower credit scores and no security deposit. Now, when it comes down to rebuilding your credit, there's a little known hack that you don't have to remove one negative item from your credit report if you're under a 700 credit score. Adding a line of credit to your credit profile, you can see an increase of 50 points on average. And you can do this all the way till you get past that 700 credit score. If you're already above that 700 credit score, that hack does not work. You'll see a decrease in your credit score. So just keep that in mind. But for those that's rebuilding, you can add on a line of credit, let it report. Don't add on a ton, just one at a time, and you'll see your score go up and up. Just make sure if you're using this hack, you do not have anything hitting you negative every month, like a credit card you already have and it's behind on its payments. You need to bring that current because any new negative item, it holds your credit score down for 60 days. So if you bring that current, wait 60 days, and then go with this hack. Another thing to keep in mind, if you already have collections or charge-offs, check them. Make sure that they're not reporting with a CO every month or a C. This is those companies doing that on purpose to keep your credit score down. And that's the same as an account that's open and late hitting you every month. You want to stop that from happening. Now, if you have a collection doing that, that's a violation of the FCRA because it's collection and there's no anticipated payment every month on that account. Now, with my elite credit system, users like Greg was able to remove a collection within 12 days. So if you need help with that, the link to my AI software with my credit coaching is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. But with these cards, these are going to be soft pull pre-approvals, meaning you can see if you pre-approve or pre-qualify without it affecting your credit score. Just keep in mind, if you get a pre-approval, it gives you an 80% chance of getting that card approved. Now, whether you get approved for that card or not, if you go for that card after the pre-approval, majority of the time, it is going to be a hard inquiry. Okay, so just keep that in mind, whether you get that card or not. Keep in mind, if you have a ton of hard inquiries, you can go to my website and download this free hard inquiry removal package. The link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. But the pre-approval will stop you for just aimlessly applying for credit cards, decreasing your credit score with every hard inquiry. So we're going to jump into our first card. Now, Avant is a credit builder, credit card, and a beginner credit card company. Now, applying is easy with this credit card with no hidden fees, and you can boost your credit score by using the credit card responsibly and paying it off with your balance on time. Now, Avant do give you credit line increases periodically, and you can use the app so you can manage your account from anywhere, and you can also use the app for customer service. Now, here's how it works with Avant 3-step process. You see if you pre-qualify, you get a fast decision, and then you can use your credit card responsibly. So you can get all of this within a matter of minutes. Now, this credit card can have an annual fee starting from $0 to $59, a credit line starting from $300 to $3,000, and an APR ranging from 29.74% through 34.74%. Now, all of this is depending on your credit worthiness. You can get approved for this credit card with a credit score as low as a 580 credit score. And this credit card is underwritten by WebBank. And with WebBank, they will be pulling from TransUnion or from Experian. Now, as I always tell you guys, it's important to check your credit score before you apply. Anytime that you're applying for a credit card, I suggest if you have a new negative item, you want to wait at least 90 days before you apply. Now, this is a beginner credit card, but you can use this credit card anywhere because it is a MasterCard logo and it's not a closed loop card. But the downside with this card, they do not offer rewards. If you are a person with no negative items like a charge off or any collections, you might want to seek another credit card that will give you rewards according to what your lifestyle is. So make sure you check that out. But if you guys have premium credit, I would not advise this card. You want to look for another credit card. But if you are struggling with your credit history, this is a great card so you can be able to do things in life that you want to do because it is a MasterCard and you can use this anywhere, rent a car, go on vacation, rent a hotel room. So this is a great place to start to help you build your credit section. Now, this credit card is Destiny MasterCard. Now, with this card, they have brought forth some new changes. Now you can get 1.5% cash rewards on eligible purchases. Before, this card offered no rewards at all. And so now they made some changes. Now with this card, this is going to be a credit rebuilder card, you guys. With this card, because they will accept lower credit scores. And I'm talking about credit scores that's 500 and up. Even some credit profiles that have negative items. And if you're even new with no credit history, you can be approved for this card possibly. Now, the reason why you would use this card is to rebuild your credit. If you are a person that is rebuilding and you're finding it very hard to find credit card approvals, this could be an option for you. Now, the positive is this is not a secured credit card, so you don't have to use a deposit to get approved if you have troubled credit. And they're aiming at a market of subprime credit under a 600 credit score. Now, with this card, it is very little qualifications for you to actually apply for this card. It's not a lot of rules. You just have to be 18 years and older, have a physical address in the United States and an IP address in the United States, and no charge off from Destiny MasterCard. So with your income, it will be taken into consideration, and also the debt and your verification. Now, with this credit card, one thing you'll find out, it is a rebuilder card. And I will say, if you have better options, you guys, you should exercise them first before applying for this card, because it does have a higher APR of 24.99%. And depending on your credit score, it can have a higher annual fee from $59 to $99, depending on your credit score. And they do have credit limits around $700. And some reports, people did say they received the card at a $2,000 limit. Now, here's the other caveat on this card. For people with good credit, you would not take this card, or even people with fair credit. And that is going to be someone with a 620 credit score and up. I would not suggest this, aiming for this credit card unless you have a bankruptcy and it's giving you a hard time because you're trying to get approved for credit. But with this card, for you that are really struggling with bad credit or really troubled credit, this can be an option, especially if you're looking to move, trying to get a car, and you need to do something quickly to try to get your credit score up in the next 30 days, because this reports to all three major credit bureaus. And one thing to keep in mind when you apply for this card, if you get $300, $700 credit limit, they will put the annual fee on the card first. So if it's $300, it's going to be reduced by that annual fee. So my suggestion, if you qualify and you're trying to use this to increase your credit score, you don't want to go over that 30% utilization. So I suggest you pay that down, and I would use this as a tool or a stepping stone to the next credit card to increase my credit score with no other options. Now, with this card, they do pull from TransUnion. So if you think you had something recently, check your TransUnion credit profile, and that is where they will be making the credit decision from. Now, with Aspire, this is a credit card to build and grow, as they advertise, for those who are looking to build their credit. But when you're dealing with credit builder cards, there are some downsides when it comes to annual fees. But this is an opportunity to apply and possibly obtain an unsecured credit card. Now, with this card, it is unique because they offer you cashback rewards, which is unusual for a card that is a credit building card. So with this cashback rewards, you can earn up to 1% cash back on all purchases, which is a great option. This card here is a MasterCard. So you can have different variations of with whether it's a Visa or a MasterCard, but this offering is a MasterCard, and they offer you an unsecured credit card, free credit scores, and transaction alerts, simple plus secure application, zero fraud, and it gives you online access 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, any device. Now, one thing about this card, it does have a after a year, there is a monthly fee. Now, that monthly fee is dictated on your credit score. So it can be from $5 to $12.50 monthly. So you want to keep that in mind. Also, it has an APR of 22.74% to 36%. And for cash advances, the APR is going to be 25.74% to 36%. So keep that in mind. Also, with my research, to qualify for this card, they will be pulling from Experian. So those are some things to keep in mind, that if you're looking to qualify for this card, that will be the credit bureau that they will be pulling from. So keep that in mind to check out your scores there. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. For more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.